Okay, Munchman, let's see if we can make this happen. I want to show you how to create. You said you wanted, let me see, what did you say you wanted? You said you wanted to be able to pop in a text, I think. Let me see, what did you say? A couple of basic mechanics like adding a text block without adding a new module. I don't know about doing it without adding a new module, but I don't know why in the world you wouldn't want to just add a new module. That way you can basically add a new module and say whatever you want, like love, peace, and understanding. And then I think you could go over here. You can't really see that, can you? Can I move that? No, but if you go over here, well, this is high. Oh, look at that. You can click right here and do that. And then if you had a blog post you wanted to enter here, like let's just say I'm going to jump on over here and just grab some content, copy it, then I'm going to paste it right into here. And that gives me like a post. I don't know that I'd want to do a post like that, but it's one way to do it. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to hit publish. Yes, publish. Then I'm going to go over here to the, I'm going to go to the iPad. You can't see me on the iPad, but I'm going to go, I'm going to jump in and go Ink. Oh, that didn't work. Ink. Nah, that's not working. So anyway, I'm going to, now let me just go over here and go Ink. And this should be updated. Latest blogs. Oh, you added that. Cool. I didn't see this. So yeah, you can, apologies, but this page is not published. So you got to publish that page. Let me see if I can figure that out. That's pretty cool. Cecilia, whoops. Latest blogs. Check it out now. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to shut down this video just because I wanted to have a little fun. I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to stop.